Moving to another transformation mode in Photoshop, and this one is perspective warp. So let's say we would like to warp or tweak that scene in perspective way. You can be going to edit, then selecting perspective warp. So we are on layout first. We're gonna be drawing just a simple rectangle, just like that. Then we're gonna be dragging these corners to match our perspective, probably aligning that one with that building's line, vertical line, and maybe from here as well, and dragging that one all the way to here. Maybe you can be getting that one a bit higher to include the flag, and we can be going beyond our image as well. There is nothing wrong with that. And now we need to be completing our perspective, drawing another plane. So basically you are drawing another simple rectangle. However, once you are getting closer to our first one, they are going to turn into blue lines like that, which means that Photoshop is considering them as one perspective. So I'm gonna be dragging that one all the way to here and readjusting those anchor points, going high to be parallel to our building, and same as well in here. Now once we have our perspective ready, you can be selecting warp, where we can start dragging any of these points to tweak our perspective, maybe that one, to change maybe our viewing angle, or maybe go extreme, something like that, or make them fall backward like that. However, that's too extreme, so let me get it back to here maybe. And also we can be playing with these points in here, maybe that one. And let's say we like that transformation, we can be applying that effect. Now don't worry about these missing parts from our image, simply we can be fixing them by using our crop tool. For instance, we can be cropping these areas, or we can be using our retouching tools and techniques to fix our image, which we are going to be discovering in detail later through that course. However, now as you can see, we have that side looking quite abnormal, so let me show you guys how we can be fixing that. Let me undo that, pressing Command or Control Z. So we are back to our original image, and I'm going to be selecting edit, perspective warp once again, drawing our planes just in a very quick way, dragging that one, drawing our second plane. Now before we start warping our image, let's say we need to be protecting that part, so we can be doing that actually by drawing another perspective in here, third one. However, make sure that you don't join that one with your original perspective, so make it a bit far. If you get it too close, it will be joining the other one. So draw that one a bit far, and let's also extend that one to edges of our image. Now we can be warping our plane, so let's maybe tweak that one to here. See how that part is being intact, it's not being affected by what's happening in here or in the entire image. And not only that, but also you can be tweaking that one as well. So here we go, can be playing with that perspective, maybe to create a surreal effect, or doing just simple tweaking to our image. So that's it for perspective transformation in Photoshop, and hopefully by now you are masters in transforming anything in Photoshop.